Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. I am also well. I am here today to help you to know how to complete a joint sentence. In class 9-10 level, to question number 7 completing sentence is given. In HSC level, to question number 4 completing sentence is given, and this lesson is also useful to question number 3 in HSC level. So be attentive to learn. At first you have to write 5 structure here. At first I have given here 5 structure. I will divide into 2 segment or on 2 videos actually. Today part 1. Then next roles will be discussed on part 2. Structure: no sooner had done, hardly had when, scarcely had when. Next part will be absolutely past indefinite or past simple. Let's see how it can be joined or completed. No sooner had he come than I went out. Past. Answer will vary. Answer may vary. Answer can vary from student to student. No problem for that. No sooner had he come than I went out. No sooner had he come than I helped him in this way. Same meaning. As soon as he came, I went out. Same. Hardly had we seen him when he called him. Past indefinite I have given here. According to the meaning you can. But you must maintain that it is in simple past or past indefinite in this way. Role 2. Role 2. Present indefinite or present perfect. According to the structure of sentence, past indefinite necessary. That means it is many years or many years have passed since past indefinite I saw you. I went there. I came here. In this way you can add. No problem. Then past indefinite plus past perfect. It was many years since I have met you. You know the structure of tense, so you can maintain very easily. Now we are moving on to role 3. In role 3, the use of before and after. Before and after. Before and after actually those words are preposition, but in many cases those are used as conjunction. We know that in past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense, we get these types of sentences such as I have written that the use of before. In the use of before, in case of use of before, in past perfect tense, at first past perfect, then past indefinite. Such as I am giving here the sentence, the role 3 will be here. I had done the work. I had done the work before you. I had done the work before you came. That means if past perfect is given, you have to write here past indefinite. If past indefinite is given, you have to write here past perfect. In the same way, in the use of after I came after, you know well actually, just I am showing here. I came after you had called me. After you had called me. That means in case of the structure of before and after, past perfect continuous. In modern times actually those are not used in this way, but whenever we are in grammatical section at that time we have to maintain. In case of before, past perfect, past indefinite. That means if it past perfect is given, I need past indefinite. If past indefinite is given, I need past perfect. In the same way, I will have done the work. I will have done the work before you come or before you will come. So you can see here that again future perfect is given, future indefinite is necessary. Again, if I show here with the word after, he comes, after, or he will come, no problem. He will come, after, he will come after I will have, after I will have gone there. So you can understand well. Past perfect is given, past indefinite is necessary. Past indefinite is given, past perfect is necessary. Future perfect is given, future indefinite or present indefinite is necessary. Future indefinite or present indefinite is given, future perfect is necessary. In this way you can use, you can complete or you can join the sentence. Now I am moving on to role 4. Role 4. It is time, it is high time. It is time, it is high time, I wish, I fancy. Then past simple or past indefinite is necessary. If I give your example, if I show you, it is time, it is time, we, past indefinite is necessary. You can add that. It is time we went there. It is time we went there. Then it is high time. Then it is high time. We said our prayer. We said our prayer. In this way, that means it is time, it is high time. Past simple or past indefinite is necessary. I wish, everybody knows well. I wish, I wish I were a leader. You can say that sir, why were, imaginative fact. For imaginative facts we use here were, past indefinite. Or I wish I could, or I wish I could fly in the sky. In this way you can add, no problem. Then moving on to I fancy, I turn pale. This one is actually, it seems that it has become a proverb. Actually, this sentence has been taken from the lesson of HSC level, from English for today, the luncheon. The name of the lesson is the luncheon. From the lesson the luncheon, this sentence has been taken, and everybody likes it, and everybody should write. I fancy I turn pale. In this way, that means I have completed 4. It is time, it is high time, I wish, I fancy. For those, past simple or past indefinite is necessary here. Moving on to 5. Role 5. Role 5, as if or as though. Role 5, as if or as though. He, present indefinite. He speaks as if and as though. There is no difference between the two. He speaks as if. He speaks as if he were a leader. You can say that, sir, you have written again were. I have told you that for imaginative facts, after subject, were is used. Then that means past simple. You can write in another way. He speaks as if he learned everything. You can write also in this way, no problem. Just you have to maintain past simple or past indefinite. Then the next one, if I show you in the same way the example, he spoke as if or as though. As if or as though, no problem. As though he had learned, everything. Whenever you are in grammatical section, at that time you have to maintain grammatical structures strictly. He spoke. That means in case of the structure of as if or as though, present indefinite, that means past indefinite is necessary. Past indefinite, past perfect is necessary. I would like to give you here more, or I would like to move on to conditionals. Conditionals 6. Conditionals. Conditionals you know well. Just I would like to remind you here. Conditionals. First condition. E plus present indefinite. E plus present indefinite plus future. E plus present indefinite plus future indefinite, or present indefinite, or imperative sentence, Write down the structure, then try to understand making or joining sentence. Imperative. If I give example, if you are interested, you will do it. If you are interested, you will do it. Or present indefinite, I have written here that present indefinite can be also you can do it. Again, if you give imperative sentence, do it. In this way you can complete, no problem. That means the main structure is E plus present indefinite or present simple plus future indefinite or present indefinite or imperative sentence. In this way, first conditionals. Then I am moving on to second conditionals. The structure of second conditional is second condition. I am writing here in short form. Structure E plus past indefinite or past simple plus subject plus could or might or would, plus present form of verb, present form of verb. If I give example here, if you came, I would. If you came, I would go. See here, it is absolutely a complex sentence. This one is subordinate clause, this one is principal clause. I have discussed on clause before. If you have any lackings in this case, you have to watch the video of clause there. I am repeating you here now that second condition, E plus past simple plus subject plus could or might or would plus present form of verb. That means if you came, I would go. If you studied seriously, you would learn many things. If you help them, they would thank you. In this way, just maintain the sentence. It is in complex sentence. If you came, subordinate clause, I would go, principal clause. Then I am moving on to third conditionals. The structure is third conditionals. If E plus past perfect, plus subject plus could, or might or would plus have plus past participle form. If I give example, if you had done it, I would have helped you. In this way, if you had I would like to show you actually with the camera this way. If you had seen them, you would have called them in this way. Okay, I am going to show you in another way if you find these types of words also. This one is also condition. Second condition, this one is also such as where are you, it is in past simple or past indefinite. We know that if past in simple or past indefinite is found in this case, that is second conditions. Where are you, that is second conditional. That means where are you, I would do it, second conditional. If you find in this way any type of sentence, that means it is conditional. Past simple is given, subject plus could or might or would plus present form or base form verb will be used. Again you can see that had I money, it is also in past simple or past indefinite. Had I money, I would go. Had I money, I would go there, or I would visit different places. So you can understand in this way also conditionals can be. Now I am going to show you third conditional also. You can understand well. See, had I seen you, that means it is in past perfect. Past perfect means third conditionals. Try to understand again and again. Had I seen you, I would have helped. You. In this way, try to understand time and again, and watch the video time and again to understand the fact. I am telling you that where are you, that means it is in past simple, it is in the second conditionals. I would do it. Had I money, it is also in past simple. I would go there, second condition. Had I seen you, you can say that sir, it is it seems that it is in past perfect, not past perfect, because subject plus past form verb plus noun or extension, that is in simple past. Again in third condition you can see the had plus subject plus past participle, that means it is in past perfect tense. If we get past perfect tense, that means it is in third conditionals. So you can understand well. That's all for today. I will come with part 2 for completing sentence or joining sentence on next video. Till then, bye bye.